Hello everyone. Our today's topic is structure and functions of teeth. Teeth are an important part of our body. We already know that teeth help us to bite and chew our food, helping in easy digestion. They help in biting and chewing our food, which helps in easy digestion. They also give a proper shape to our face and help us to speak clearly. And they enhance the beauty of our smile. What are the two sets of teeth that we have? We are all born without teeth. Babies get their first tooth when they are in between an age of 6 and 9 months. Babies get their first tooth when they are in between an age of 6 and 9 months. By the age of 2.5 years, they get a set of 20 teeth called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. By the age of 2.5 years, they get a set of 20 teeth which are called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. These temporary teeth, they start to fall out one by one when they are around 5 to 6 years old. These temporary teeth, they start to fall out one by one when they are about 5 to 6 years old. By 12 to 13 years of age, we get a set of 28 teeth. And once we are grown into adults, 4 more teeth are grown. This complete set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. This complete set of 32 teeth are called as permanent teeth. If we lose a permanent tooth, are we going to get it back? No. Once we lose a permanent tooth, it is not going to grow back again. Why do we have different types of teeth? Based on their functions, we have 4 different types of teeth to eat different types of food. To explain their functions, I have 4 tools in front of me. What is this? A scissors. How do I use this? A scissors is used for cutting. A scissors is used for cutting. In order to tear something hard, I need something very sharp and pointed. In order to tear something, I need a tool which is very sharp and pointed. To crack the nuts, I need a nut cracker. A nut cracker helps me to break the shell and enjoy the nuts. Here I have a mini manual grinder which helps in grinding. So, based on their functions, we have 4 different types of teeth. The front 4, which are thin and sharp, are used for cutting our food and hence they are called as incisors. The front 4 cutting teeth are called as incisors. Next to the cutting teeth, we have sharp and pointed teeth which is used for tearing. So, they are called as tearing teeth or canines. Tearing teeth are called as canines. Behind the canines, we have 2 premolars. These premolars help in cracking or crushing our food. These premolars are also called as cheek teeth. What do we call the premolars? They are also called as cheek teeth. At the back, we have 3 molars. These molars, they help in grinding. So what are the 4 different types of teeth? The cutting teeth called as incisors, the tearing teeth called as canines, the cracking or crushing teeth called as premolars or cheek teeth, and the grinding teeth called as molars. These are the 4 types of teeth, 16 in the lower jaw and 16 in the upper jaw. Now let us learn the parts of a tooth. Each tooth that we can see is only 1/4 of its total size. The remaining 3/4 portion is fixed inside the gums, is embedded within the gums. The part which is visible is only 1/4 and the 3/4 portion of our tooth is fixed inside the gums, and gums are the soft pink flesh that holds our tooth very firmly in their place. Each tooth has 3 parts. They are crown, neck and root. The hard and white shiny portion which is above the gum line and visible to our eyes is called as crown. The hard white shiny portion above the gum line which is visible to our eyes is called as crown, and down to the crown we have a narrow portion between crown and the root which we call as neck, and down to the neck we have the part below the gum line which is called as root. This root holds the tooth very firmly within the gums. Crown, neck and root are the 3 parts of our tooth. Now we are going to learn the inner structure of our tooth. The inner structure of our tooth shows 3 layers. So what are the 3 layers of a tooth? Enamel, dentin and pulp are the 3 layers of a tooth. The hard, white, shiny outer covering of our crown is called as enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of our body. It protects the tooth while we are chewing our food. Without enamel, our tooth may be very sensitive. So, enamel is the topmost layer of our tooth. Down to the enamel, we have an yellowish layer which is little softer than enamel. So this yellowish layer is called as dentin. This layer has nerves. The dentin has nerves inside it. Even it can be sensitive to heat and cold. And the innermost and the softest layer of our tooth is pulp. The innermost and softest layer of our tooth is pulp. The pulp has blood vessels and the nerves. These blood vessels, they supply nutrients to the tooth, whereas the nerves help in sensation of heat, cold or pain. So, enamel, dentin and pulp are the 3 layers of our tooth. Eating too much of sweets or sugary foods causes tooth decay. The germs in between our teeth, they break down the sugar and release acid. This acid forms holes in our teeth called as cavities. So the germs enter into these cavities and causes tooth decay. Tooth decay may result in bad breath, toothache and also bleeding gums. If teeth are not properly cleaned, the germs are deposited on our teeth. The sticky yellow layer which you observe here is called as plaque. So we have to make sure that our teeth are properly cleaned. Let us know few tips for keeping our teeth healthy and strong. Brushing twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed. Brushing twice a day is very important. Avoid sweets and sugary foods. Avoid sweets and sugary foods. Have regular dental checkups. It is important to visit a dentist at least once in a 6 months of time. Do not use any pointed objects to clean in between your teeth. Instead, you can use a dental floss which you can easily clean in between your teeth. Floss is nothing but a silk thread which helps in cleaning in between our teeth without damaging our teeth. Healthy teeth are very important for a healthy and happy life.